Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel Panache. If you're new to my channel, then I am Beena and this is my channel Panache. I make a lot of videos here on beauty, lifestyle, fashion and also a lot of fun content with my family. We are here in Dubai and today is day 5 here in Dubai. I hope you have checked the previous vlog, that is the part 1 where I covered day 1, 2, 3 and 4. And today is day 5 here in Dubai. Today the plan of action as of now is we plan to go to Dubai Outlet Mall. It is a mall where you get some good deals on some great brands. So we're planning to go there and do some shopping today. So I'll take you guys along. Kevin, good morning.
Good morning.
Eugene, Kimberly.
Morning.
Okay. So we'll go there and cover up as much as possible. And towards the end, I will make a haul and the haul will be in a separate video. I don't think I'll be able to put it on this video. It'll be pretty long. So there will be a haul coming up. So check that out. And I will also show you whatever deals we get in Outlet Mall, if it's worth it, and in comparison to the Indian pricing and everything. So you'll know if it is the right place to shop or no. So stay tuned and come along with us and let's have some nice time today. Today is the shopping day. Bye guys. Yes, Kevin is very excited. He has something in mind that he wants to pick up. So he's really excited. So let's see if we get what he wants. And yes, let's have some fun today. Bye guys. See you.
Bye. Peace.
Peace. Hi guys, so we are back here. We are sitting outside Papa John's. Papa John's. Okay, this is the place where when Kimberly was small, she used to usually order pizza from here and she used to really love it. So we
They are
thought,
garlic parmesan breadsticks.
too good, yum. So we thought, why not order from here, because bang opposite our hotel. Our hotel is opposite and bang opposite that is this place. So we thought, why not order from here? And while we are waiting for the pizza, we thought of why not, having a small chit chat with you guys. Sorry for all the disturbance, lot of traffic here. So we thought of just having a little bit of chit chat with you guys and telling you what we did today. So today in the morning we went to Outlet Mall. Outlet Mall is a place where I mentioned it earlier.
1 second.
Okay. Look at that. Okay, so Outlet Mall is a place where most of the big brands, okay, have their sales, okay, and you can pick up a lot of branded items from there at a discounted price. We used to go there very regularly when we used to stay here, but this time when we went, we did not find too many deals and it was pretty dead.
Yep.
Okay, it was pretty dead, but we still landed up doing quite a bit of shopping.
Yeah.
So we bought a lot of stuff.
Stay tuned for the haul.
Yes, stay tuned for the haul. There are a lot of things that we picked up from there. After that, we had some lunch over there itself at the food court.
Yes.
We had some KFC.
Oh,
Yeah, the
it was
KFC.
amazing.
Yes. I must tell you that the KFC in UAE and the KFC in India, there's a vast difference in everything. The quantity of the fries is much more.
crispier, not soggy. The chicken is like bigger, juicier, tastier.
The size of the burger is humongous, and the chicken crust, the crust of the chicken is yummy.
You give me a whole plate of crust and I can just eat only the crust of the chicken.
Yeah, that's how yummy it is, and that's the difference between having KFC in UAE
Dubai and back home in
back
India.
home in India. So we had a very nice meal. After that, we were headed out to there's a new mall that's opened up. It's called the Dubai Hills Mall. So we thought, why not go over there, because my daughter wanted one particular pair of Nike shoes, and we heard that she would get it over there. So we thought of why not going there and trying it out. So we went to Dubai Hills Mall. Nice mall, very nice, decent mall. They had a lot of good brands.
Yes.
The usual brands that we usually shop from: Zara, H&M, Victoria's Secret, and Centerpoint. Yeah, all these regular stores that we usually go to, which we can afford, basically.
They
So,
have the higher end.
They have the
stores
high end
also.
ones also, but whatever is in our budget are these stores. So we went to these stores, and luckily, as soon as she went over there, we went to this shop. What's that?
It's called Foot Locker.
Yeah, we went to Foot Locker, and she landed up getting a beautiful pair, of Nikes, and she's very, very happy. You can see it with a smile on her face. So stay tuned for the haul. The haul is coming up, and you'll see all that we picked up. So that's it, and now we are here back in the hotel. It's what's the time now? I think it's about.
It is 10 o'clock.
Oh, it's 10 o'clock in the night now, and we're waiting for our pizza here outside Papa John's. And let's see, we're going to have a lovely dinner.
You can go in there and take like a vlog of them making the pizzas. You can see them make the pizzas.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can look into the window and see them make the pizzas.
Okay, if possible,
You can do
if possible, I'll try to record it. If I record it, I will put it up.
Yes.
Okay, and that's it. So just wanted to have a little,
picture of the pizza.
yeah, and tempt you guys. Okay, what the pizza that we ordered for is
The garlic parmesan chicken pizza and breadsticks.
breadsticks. The breadsticks are yum, super yum. Okay, and with a lot of garlic sauce.
The butter garlic sauce that they give you is amazing.
Yeah.
You don't even need the food from here. Just get the butter garlic sauce and you're set.
Yeah. So that's that. So that is the end of the day. Nothing much that we did other than only shopping.
Today lots of shopping.
Lots of shopping. We did about 15,000 steps already just walking around the malls. So that's it. Now we'll go and eat, hog nicely, and then go to bed. That's it for the day. A lovely day. All these days we're having great time together as a family, so which was much needed. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and if you are, then please show some love, guys. Please drop in a heart or something like that, or comment in the comment box and let us know how you like these vlogs. Okay, so tomorrow the plan of action is we plan to go to Day to Day. That's another place where you get some cute little stuff here and there,
Cheap
some cheap stuff and some souvenirs, and all these type of small nitty gritty sort of things. Some food stuff also we're planning to pick up from Lulu's.
Yes.
Some
we
chips.
go to Lulu's and
Whatever
we don't get back home in India, basically.
correct.
Get it over here.
The
and take it
authentic
back.
stuff that we get over here is what we plan to pick up, because we have about, I think, 50 kilos that we can take back.
Yeah.
So we thought we will
With
buy.
all the shoes and everything that we've already bought, I think about a kilo here and there.
Yeah. So should be good. And after that we plan to go to Lulu. Also, I to already mention that. And in the evening, early evening, we plan to go to Hatta, Oman Hatta, along with a friend of ours who is planning to. He's got a 4x4, so he has agreed to take us. So that's very kind of him. And so let's see. We'll take you guys along, and let's see what is ahead in store for us ahead tomorrow. So that's it. Signing off for today. I hope you guys are having fun. Seeing my wonderful children in the vlogs, my family, my husband, and all the fun that we're having. Okay, bye guys. Take
Bye,
care.
Nia.
Love you. See you guys tomorrow. morning from Dubai. Today is day 6 here in Dubai. And yesterday we did a lot of things which I already spoke about yesterday evening. And today the plan of action is, right now we're planning to go to Day Today. Now Day Today is a place where you get some good souvenirs and some small, stuff which are not too expensive, reasonable sort of stuff. So we plan to go there. Would everyone want to say good morning? Kevin, Eugene, Kimberly.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you all enjoying the trip so far?
Oh, it's amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, we did a lot of things. We shopped a lot. We thoroughly enjoyed our trip so far, and I'm sure the rest, we have another 3 days to go, including today. So we might have, I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun. After Day Today, we plan to go to Lulu. That's Eugene's favorite shopping spot. So we have to visit it and probably buy some snacks and some basic local stuff that you get over here and not in India. And pick it up from there. And we picked up a lot of things. So there is going to be a huge haul coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs that are coming up with regards to this trip. If you are, then please send a heart in the comment box so I'll know that you're loving the vlogs. That's it. And anyone would like to say anything? Eugene?
Looking forward.
Kimberly? Happy?
Yes, very happy. Me too.
Kimberly has spent majority of her life here in Dubai. So she's very happy to be, half probably. Yeah, more than half.
10 years, basically.
Yeah.
9 years.
Yeah, so she's really happy to be back here and relive everything. The food, basically, she loves to try the food that she used to have.
Yesterday we had Papa John's.
Yesterday we had Papa John's. I spoke about it. I put a picture on video about it also, and we teased you guys a bit. So very nice place. If you want to have pizza, Papa John's is a place you have to go to in Dubai. Okay, so that's it for now. We will take you along and probably post some glimpses of the shopping experience in Day Today, Lulu, and whatever we're doing. Later on, we plan to go to Hatta. So we'll take you around there as well and let you know what we are doing. Okay, so stay tuned and have fun with us.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. We have come to this beautiful place here called the Hatta. As you can see, the mountains around this place. This is a particular fort that we have stopped at. What is the name of this fort? Okay, I'll put a picture of the fort. Okay, I shall take you guys along. And this is the fort that we stopped at. It's a very small fort, but you can see you can get the entire view of the area around Hatta. And it looks really beautiful and very scenic, very nice. The climate also is not that bad, so it is pretty windy and all that. Nice place, really nice. So it's called the Al Boma Tower. Masfoot is mentioned here. And that's Kimberly.
Hello.
We came with a friend of ours, that's his car there. They're all gone on top, and I'll show you the view. So this is the place from here, and we went right on top there and see the entire view. It's beautiful, very nice. Now moving ahead, let's see. I don't know if you can see, if I can zoom in, you can see Hatta written in one of the mountains there. There, somewhere there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's where we plan to go. Hi guys, we are back from Hatta and we had a very nice time. As you can see, we are all dead tired and look like a mess. It's 11:30.
11:45.
Okay, 11:45. Every day I think we'll end up coming at this time and we are dead tired and we have a shower and we're off to sleep. So today we went to Hatta, a very nice place. We went with a friend of ours and we did, what is that called? Cycling in
the water
water biking. That was really nice. We took 2 bikes. Since we were 5 of us, we took 2 bikes. One was with the bike with 2 people and one was with 3. So it was really nice experience. So I think about 45 minutes to an hour we were there. Yeah, and our butts are aching because it was really tiring and I think a good workout, cardio run. And then we had some nice dinner at a place close to the Hatta itself, at the entrance of Hatta, right?
Yes.
That name of the restaurant I forgot. But it was in
Bareya or something.
Bareya, correct. It was called Bareya. And
You're back.
the food was super delicious. We had proper authentic Arabic food. We had
The
shawarma.
shawarmas. We had the beef shawarma, which was amazing. The chicken shawarma. We had some chicken.
It's Saj bread.
Yeah.
Saj bread. Saj is it's
Kind of like a rumali roti.
yeah, kind of like a rumali roti which is slightly toasted.
Yes.
And crispy, so it's really yum. Hummus, kavus, usual.
Tavuk.
Shish tabouk.
Shish tavuk is the mixed grill,
Yours.
the chicken one.
Yours.
Yeah, the chicken grill is sort of very nice.
On this chicken grill.
Yeah.
And then we had another mixed grill with meat, beef and mutton as well.
Yes. So we had super delicious yum food, and we are in food coma right now.
No, actually not food coma. We're just very tired.
Yeah, we are super duper tired because we had a long day, and every day we'll end up doing at least like 10 to 15,000 steps easily. So that's it for the day. Very nice day well spent. So tomorrow the plan of action is we plan to get up in the morning and go for IKEA breakfast. This is also something which is IKEA is known for here in Dubai, the IKEA breakfast, which we used to often do when we were staying in Dubai. So we thought of doing it again. And after which a little bit of shopping at IKEA if possible, or we will move to Festival City, which is close to IKEA. So we'll go there. A little bit of pending shopping that is there, which never ends, shall be continued tomorrow. And that's it for now. That's the plan as of now for tomorrow. So let's see, we'll take you guys along, and I hope you guys are having a good time with our vlogs and with all the content that we're putting in, the travel vlogs with my family. My son has gone for a bath. My husband is chilling, but I cannot show him right now because he's not in proper clothing. So I should avoid that, otherwise my video is going to get censored. And that's my son after a good shower, looking nice and fresh. So time for us to go for a shower and see you guys soon. And take care.
Bye
See you
now.
tomorrow. Bye. Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Good night.
Bye. Peace.
Good morning from Dubai. Today is day 7 here in Dubai. And we have started our day by coming to IKEA for breakfast. IKEA is a place where they have some nice breakfast here in UAE, not like India. Like Kimberly was telling me that they have IKEA in Bangalore also, but there they serve only Indian breakfast, and that is only poha, so no other options. But here they have a nice English breakfast, and it's for 19 dirhams, which is approximately 450-500 rupees.
And they serve you eggs, scrambled eggs, hash brown, baked beans, chicken sausage, beef bacon, and either tomatoes or mushrooms. Yeah.
So it's a good wholesome breakfast, so really worth it. And once you have this breakfast, you'll be like pretty full till early evening. So it's really nice and really worth it. Okay, so we came over here and we thoroughly enjoyed the breakfast. Kavrin, how did you like the breakfast?
In fact, I love the breakfast. I love the mushrooms. They tasted amazing. So, I also like the bacon and also the sausages. It was really good, and the hash browns were really good. It is crispy. It is really good, I must say.
And Dada?
My son's a foodie. Everything that is good. That's it. No. We really enjoy the breakfast over here because We miss it kind of in India because that's what we used to do on the weekends. You know, this used to be like a pretty much twice a month sort of a scenario over here in Dubai. So we miss this place. Hopefully IKEA, can do something like this back in India.
Behind the frame because I cannot move the camera. But that's his opinion on the breakfast. Now the plan of action is we shall just go and do a little bit of shopping because IKEA is connected to Festival City, which is a mall. So we plan to go to Festival City, do a little bit of window shopping. If we like something, we shall pick it up. And stay tuned for the haul. As I mentioned earlier also, there will be a huge haul coming up. Huge, super huge haul. So you have to grab some snacks, tea, coffee and enjoy the vlogs. Okay, so I hope you're really enjoying these vlogs and stay tuned. We will take you guys around and have a lovely day ahead. Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, we are back again.
Hello.
Last I spoke to you all when we were in IKEA. We were having a breakfast. We enjoyed our breakfast. After which we went to Festival City, which is a part of IKEA. We went over there and
IKEA is a part of Festival City.
whatever, vice versa. Okay, so we went to Festival City and we did a little more shopping. For that you have to see the hall, which is coming up soon.
It's gonna
And-
be like a huge hall with like
Yeah.
a lot of things.
Huge hall, and probably if you're planning to go to Dubai and if you want to get some good deals, then you should definitely watch that hall. Okay, it's going to be helpful. Okay, after that we came to Karama. Now in Karama there's this place called Safia. It's called Safia Perfumes, where you get a lot of good perfumes. You get these tester pieces at a much reasonable price than the original price. Okay, the only difference is it's not in the original packaging, that's all. Okay, so we always go there. Whoever is staying in Dubai would definitely know this place called Safia Perfumes. It's very, very famous. Most of the Indians and I think most of the people who travel,
people,
tourists,
yeah.
everybody, they go over there and pick up the perfume. So that's what we did. We picked up about 8
Get perfume.
perfumes from there. And after that we went to this place called Al Ragif.
Yes.
It's a place, it's a Lebanese bakery, okay, where they make some amazing manakish. Now manakish is like you could say an
Arabic
Lebanese
pizza.
Yeah, Lebanese
Oh,
pizza.
Lebanese pizza.
Okay, so it's this their authentic bread that they have. On that they put meats or they put cheese or za'atar, different type of
Literally whatever
toppings.
you want. You want meat, they'll give you meat or chicken or za'atar or cheese or honey. There's literally every possible topping on there.
Yeah, so we ordered for the egg and meat, and Kimberly ordered for the
Za'atar with Lebanon.
za'atar with Lebanon. It was really, really tasty, super yum. Kim's was yum, and Cameron ordered for his favorite shawarma.
The Arabic chicken Saj shawarma.
Yeah, Saad shawarma, which we had yesterday also, I mentioned it, but it was much tastier here today. Very, very nice. And now we are going to the Gold Souk, which is a must visit definitely in Dubai. Everyone knows that. So we are going to go there and see if we get something good. We'll keep you guys posted about that, and maybe take some mini clips here and there. Kimberly is sleepy. She's yawning.
Yeah.
And
so
after that,
me and Kevin are gonna go to the hotel and rest for a bit.
yeah,
While
I
Mama and
take my
Dada go.
husband and make him the bakra for the day. Okay, so we'll do that, and in the evening probably we'll go for dinner. We're planning to go to some Japanese place for some ramen, so we will take you guys along and let you know if it was good, not good, whatever it was. Okay, so that's it, the update as of now. See you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, good morning from Dubai. Today is day 8, and this is the situation right now. we are busy packing. We have a lot of stuff to pack, but we do not have enough of suitcases. So now we have to go and rush and get a big suitcase probably to fit in all this stuff, because we have a lot of things that we have shopped for. And so right now the plan of action is first of all to go and get a suitcase, and then probably we'll go to church, St. Mary's Church here in Bardubai in the evening. And evening, probably in the night, probably we'll go to Cheesecake Factory, which is a must visit here in Dubai. And then we plan to go to Hard Rock Cafe, so we'll take you guys along. An update about yesterday. Yesterday in the evening, we went for dinner to this place called, what is the place, Kimberly?
What?
Yesterday's place that we went for dinner?
It was called
Wokyo. It's a Japanese place where they have ramen. A lot of good ramen. That's Kimberly.
Good morning.
Yeah. And this is the situation here right now. We are like raided with all
Huge
these
pile of clothes.
You can see the suitcases are not closing at
They're
all.
literally overflowing.
Yeah, they're literally overflowing. And we do not have place, so we have to go and immediately get a suitcase. That is the plan of
Sipping on
action.
biscuits.
And last night we picked up one shisha, the entire shisha set. So that is a huge box again, so we don't know where to fit it in. And we got it at a great deal through a friend of ours. So we got the entire shisha set for 200 dirhams.
Yes, including the flavors.
Yeah, 200 dirhams is approximately 5,000 rupees. So that's that. And so we'll take you guys along. Yes, I was telling you, we went to this place called Wokyo. Yesterday it was at Al Seef, which is in Bardubai. And Al Seef has completely changed. When we were staying here earlier, it was quite, that olden touch sort of. And now they've given it a proper total modern touch.
Yeah,
And
it is still like it has a
rustic.
heritage vibe
Yeah.
to it, but it's like done up a little bit more and become a little more tidy and a little more organized and
Yeah, and it looks good. It looks really nice. A nice place to walk around and everything. And talking about the restaurant was really nice. The
amazing
ramen,
food.
I'm not a ramen fan. Kimberly and Kavrin are. Kimberly will tell you how it was.
It was amazing. They had like different options. You could make your own bowls with like your different soups and your different types of noodles or rice and your different kinds of meat. Or they had like broths. They had like soup options. They had 3 different options, and then to that broth you could add your sauces or your protein or your different types of noodles or whatever it is. So you could basically customize and make your own ramen. And apart from that, they had these side dishes, which was like your Korean fried chicken or your tempura prawn, different things like that. So they had that, and their desserts are also amazing.
The
We got
desserts were
mochi.
killer.
Yeah, the mochi or mochi, I'm not sure.
Mochi
how to
mochi.
pronounce it.
Mochi
That-
mochi.
Yeah, something like that.
Mhm.
That and this milk tea boba ice
Oh.
cream. Now, if you like boba and if you have had boba and you love boba, you will love that ice cream because it tastes exactly like boba.
Yes.
It's got like the tapioca pearls and like the milk tea flavor.
I'll
of the ice
put
cream.
up a picture. You can see how it
It was
looks.
amazing. We ordered like a second of the ice cream and then like 2 more mochi because
Yeah.
it was amazing.
Yeah, it was really, really worth it. Too good. So, and also it was not much. It was not too expensive as
Yeah.
we thought it would be really expensive, but it was not. It was quite affordable and really, really worth it. So that's that. And then we reached home again as usual at 12:30 in the night. We reached home and then we crashed. And today is going to be only all about just packing. And we want to be set because tomorrow our flight is at 11:25. So we have to be at the airport by max 8 o'clock. 8:30 max. So because we have to claim VAT. Now this is another thing you can keep in mind. If you shop over here from Dubai, please keep all your bills because you can claim the VAT that you've paid. Okay, so that is about 5% that you can claim back. So please keep all your bills. We have a lot of bills here, so we have to claim all that, and we plan to use whatever VAT refund that we get. Maybe buy do some more shopping from duty free, some booze or some chocolates or whatever, because we can carry that extra. So we plan to do that.
And
So-
this VAT refund can be done only for electronics, clothing, and shoes and things like that. You cannot use it to claim food and beverages.
Yes. Please make a note of that as well. Okay, so I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. And today is the last day, so we will take you around and have some fun together. So that's all. Bye bye. See you now.
Bye.
See you guys now. and see you later. And outfit for the day is this only right now. Good morning, day 9 here in Dubai. It's time for us to leave. We are at the airport right now, and we've just checked in, and we are here having some breakfast here at McDonald's. About yesterday, where did we go yesterday, Kim? No, before that? First I spoke to you guys in the morning, I think yesterday, and I told you that we had to buy some luggage because we had a lot of stuff to carry and we did not have a suitcase. So we went in the morning to Carrefour and we picked up a suitcase. Not one, we picked up 3 suitcases. We came with 3 and we are going back with 6. So that's the amount of shopping that we have done. 7. Okay, 7. And that's the amount of shopping that we've done. So we got the suitcases, we came to the room, we had some lunch, we packed up all our bags, and then we went to church. We went to St. Mary's Church, which is in Oud Mehta. That is where my son was baptized, so he wanted to visit the church. So we visited the church, we attended mass, only half mass basically, because by the time we reached it was pretty late. And then I went and visited my friend's salon, which is in Hudaiba. This is the hair that we just got a wash done and blow dry because there was no much time for the other services, but the staff was excellent, very courteous, very nice, and their services, they have a lot of services. They have henna, they have beauty treatments, they have facial, they have massages, different type of Hydra facial, Korean facial, a lot of other things, everything actually basically, and they have some good packages as well. So if you plan to visit Dubai and need to get pamper yourself, I think that's the place you should go visit for sure. It's called Gracious in Hudaiba. If you need further details, let me know in the comment box. And Gracia in Hudaiba. If you need any other details, please let me know in the comment box and I will revert for sure. And after that, we went to Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, that's another place which is a must visit in Dubai. Delicious food, really delicious. We had some platters. We had the Thai, factory nachos, Thai chicken salad, and a spicy chicken pasta. Korean fried chicken. Then we had 2 cheesecakes. One was the key lime and one the other, and salted caramel. Both were like yum, super yum, and we were like full till here. It was a super heavy meal. After that, we went to Hard Rock Cafe, chilled there for a while, had a drink, that's it, and when left from there at around 1:30. Breakfast is here. And after that, we left from there I think around 1:30, around 2ish we reached the hotel, finished the last bit of packing that was remaining and crashed. Morning we woke up at around 6:45 and left for the airport. So we are here now. Holiday is over. We had a wonderful vacation. It was really very nice family time that we spent together. Did all that we wanted to do. Shopped also a lot. Shopped till we dropped basically. So we had a very nice time. So that's it. I really hope you're enjoying the vlogs, and I have posted everything as much as possible. If you need any other details, please comment in the comment box and I will reply for sure. So that's it. Now time to get back to our home, and I will be posting the vlog. I will be posting the haul very soon. The Dubai haul. It's a huge haul. That's going to be fun too. There's a Get Ready With Me in Dubai where I'll be reviewing the most viral foundation that's going on these days, the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Then I'll also make a video on the outfits that I wore in Dubai, because I got a lot of messages on Insta asking me where did I get these outfits from. So I will make a separate video for that as well. So stay tuned for all these all this content that's coming your way. So that's it for now, and wish us a great flight. By the time you see this vlog, we are already in Mangalore and back to our usual routine. And kids had a great time. Kimberly.
Hello. Good morning.
Ready to go back?
Oh yes. I had a wonderful time here, but ready to go back home.
Kavrin. Eugene.
Hello.
Yo, get back to the grind.
Okay, bye bye, guys. See you. Take care. Have a wonderful day ahead. And like I always say, stay safe, stay strong, and stay happy. See you all very soon in my next video. Bye bye.